GBPCAD on the monthly time frame. So on the monthly, we need to mark our highs. So this is one of them. So that is the possible resistance area. And then also we need to mark this other high. So in case market goes there, then there's also another high here. So once we have this, we can conclusively say that we've marked our highs. And then that is where the next resistance is going to happen. So once you have that, and then you see here, this is the area where price actually broke off from and is going back. Then you can come to a lower time frame. So let's come to the daily. So on the daily, this is how it looks like. So we had marked this. This is where price broke off from to go back up, came to retest this, and then it's on its way up. But then on the daily, if you look carefully, we have these other high within the highs within these days. So we have a market creating a series of lower lows. So we have a low and then a low. So this low and then this low. So the moment we have this, all we need to do next is to wait and see if price pulls back into this area and we have a strong break. Yes, and then we have a strong break and then it is retested. So that strong break into this area here, then we can actually take. So a break inside this, then we can take a trade on the retest and then we'll target this first low. So that's what we want to see on EuroCAD. Otherwise, we have to wait for price to reach to this resistance and then these other areas here and then see what will happen. So that is it. GA on the weekly. So we have our weekly resistance area here. So up here, and then we have our weekly lows here, which will act as our support. Another weekly low here, our potential support area. But then now we study price around here. So around here, we have a strong break from here that if you even brought it here, it will give you another important area. So, and then we have our weekly low here. So the moment we know now we are trading around here, we can switch to a low time frame, say, so on the 4-hourly, we begin to analyze the market more. So we know this is also our resistance area here, the same area, because the 4-hour has failed to break above this. And now we have this demand area here. So there will be a reaction on this demand area here. And then from here, we can begin to see this is what could happen. And then we head down to this area here. So that's what we expect next week on GBPAUD.